Hey everyone, it's Bobby from Lyco Birds, and this video is going to be a quick walkthrough example of how to identify this field sparrow. For context, the photo was taken during the month of November in north central Pennsylvania. So if we look at this bird, what features stand out? Well, to me, the most noticeable things on this bird are this pink bill and the white eye ring. And other than that, there's some patterns in the upper side, but overall, this is an unstreaked sparrow with very few distinctive features, just especially in the face and the head. Like everything's just washed out. There's nothing that's really that bold other than the eye ring. So you also have pink legs. And this is fairly typical of a field sparrow. There's not anything that's jumping out, or like one characteristic that jumps out at you that screams field sparrow. But just the overall look of the bird. You can see it's just kind of a low contrast orangey color and just overall very indistinct. So those things, when you take them together with the eye ring and the bill, the pink legs, that's going to add up to field sparrow. And like I said, it's not like one specific thing you're looking at that jumps out and says, yes, this is definitely a field sparrow. But if you take a lot of these characteristics and combine them together, it's not a super difficult ID. It's just you have to combine several things together. And really, with the unstreaked underparts and the white eye ring, there's not really too much else that you would consider. Maybe something like a grasshopper sparrow. But really, other than the fact that it's unstreaked and has the eye ring, this is a very different bird. Look at how intricately the upper parts are marked on a grasshopper sparrow. And the facial pattern is more of like, this yellow color, kind of a stained look. Very different from the facial pattern of field sparrow. Plus, grasshopper sparrow is not really expected to be in Pennsylvania in November when the photo was taken. So just the date kind of rules that out too. So hopefully you found this helpful. Just kind of how I go about identifying a field sparrow. Like I said, not really anything super concrete, but if you take a few of these features and combine them together, you can usually identify them pretty confidently. One thing to note, some individuals are a lot grayer, and those don't project the same overall orange look, but the head pattern is still pretty much the same. So that's probably the place you want to focus most of your attention, just confirming that there's no streaking, and then this kind of orangey head pattern, very indistinct, white eye ring, pink bill. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.